Hello guys, Fred here from Pro Tennis Trader. I hope you're well. So, following on from my last video in which I got a number of comments asking for more in-play analysis videos, I'm going to run through my in-play analysis from the ATP London final between Alcaraz and De Minaur. So let's jump straight in. Now, considering Alcaraz was the favourite here, this was always going to be a cautious approach to trading against him if he won the first set. It would have been ideal if he dropped the first set to then trade him as a drifting favourite, but that wasn't to be. So let's have a look at how this first set played out. Now, point by point, in this first set, De Minaur was actually looking very strong with solid service holds on his first 4 service games, and he was also very close to breaking Alcaraz in Alcaraz's 4th service game. Now, as Alcaraz often does, he managed to turn this around and then break De Minaur in the next game, which made him take the first set. But overall, from the points won and how they were won, I was feeling confident in backing De Minaur in the second set. So moving on to the stats. Now, 3 aces from Alcaraz. This is not really a significant number, and the fact that De Minaur didn't have any aces didn't concern me. 0 double faults is always a nice signal from the player you want to back in the second set, especially in a final where nerves could always come into play. Now, this was certainly not the case with De Minaur. De Minaur actually got more of his first serves in, with 66% versus 53%, but Alcaraz won more of these, which would kind of be expected at 74% versus 68%. But again, not a significant margin here. 65% versus 60% on the second serves won is not a significant difference, which shows just how close this match was. So moving on to breakpoints saved. Again, not enough of these to really make any clear analysis, with De Minaur not having any. Now, breakpoint saved is often a sign of confidence and moral fibre from a player, but of course, if there weren't any breakpoints to be saved, this is also a positive to take away. Now, first and second return points won. Again, very close percentages here, but quite low numbers, which is consistent with both players' high percentage of first serves won. Again, more evidence that this was a close match. 9 winners from Alcaraz versus 6 from De Minaur certainly doesn't show any real domination from Alcaraz, and you can see how consistent both players were, being with the smaller numbers of unforced errors of 3 versus 2. Net points won, I'm not too worried about this, but De Minaur did fall down slightly on this. You ideally want to see your player confidently putting away these net points. And overall service points won, 69% from Alcaraz versus 67% combining first and second serves. Again shows how close this match was, as does the total return points won. And of course, a stat which I always pay attention to, which is total points won. 54% versus 46% from De Minaur. Gave me more confidence to back him in the second set. Again, like in my last video, if you picture this stat like a bookshelf, pushing 2 books together, the closer the 2 books are together, i.e. the numbers, the greater confidence you should have in the first set loser. Now in some matches, you will often see this as 50-50, which should give you confidence in backing the first set loser. So then moving on to the second set. Now these videos are all about in-play analysis, and I won't be going in depth into which strategy I deployed and how I traded it, as this is why people pay for my course, and I'm certainly not going to give this information out for free on YouTube. There is a lot more to trading tennis matches than simply choosing a one-line strategy, as students on my course find out. And of course, there are clever ways of reducing risk to often come out with profit, or at least minimize losses when trades go against you. But long story short, I came away evens in this match, but it could very easily have gone in my favour with just the 1 break given Alcaraz, the second set, and the match. Now, if you found this video useful, then please do check out my YouTube channel for loads more videos and subscribe to be notified of when I upload new videos. And if you'd like to become a successful tennis trader, then you can start your journey by enrolling on my free video course, An Introduction into Tennis Trading, at protennistrader.com. And you can also grab a free copy of my ebook, Tennis Trading, the Ultimate Guide to Getting Started. I'll see you soon.